So viewers and subscribers, wagwan, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to 4K Shella Energy, and in this update we have Jaii from Let's Be Honest and Toxic Talk. Yo, they entertain under some huge pressure and fire from the people them plus Demarco. So watch on man, leave a like on this review, click the bell to be notified so you do not miss a brand new upload every day. Big up on yourself and make we jump right into it. So viewers and subscribers, Jaii is under some huge heat of fire from the people them and Demarco. Demarco made some post to his IG page and man diss up Jaii brawling and the Let's Be Honest podcast. You see me? Yeah man, Jaii and Walk and Talk did an interview and them a talk a bag of things about Demarco, Fully Bad, Coyote and Animosity. You see me? Them a talk on the clash. And it's like Demarco never agree with what they must say. So I'm going to play the video. Just a small video for you make you see what really started all of this. You see me? So I'm going to play the video and make you see what I go on. And please leave a like on the video and subscribe to 4K Shella Energy if you're new to over here.
It's all nice. And the clash make everybody bad. It's the way Demarco can't fully bad what they are fuckery and not going.
Fuckery.
See right clash, yeah. You see it? And Jaii,
I'm not top, no drop.
I'm not top, no drop, no drop. I'm not cool.
So as you can hear, viewers and subscribers, Walk and Talk, I say what Demarco and Fully Bad did do what they are foolishness, a effort. And you can hear Jaii agree with him. You see me? So basically now Demarco see that and he made some post to his IG page where he diss up the podcast and also a diss up Jaii. As you can see on the screen, Demarco made that post and it says, at Fully Bad Music, use them people as motivation. One ugly looking curtain, a dirty couch with a cheap camera and bad lighting can have an effect on my career with a laughing emoji. Some of them need to give thanks for the COVID lockdown. Hashtag don't discredit, hashtag greatness, hashtag bad lighting, hashtag with a laughing emoji. Viewers and subs, Demarco also made some more posts as you can see on the screen. We need some better podcast shows coming out of Jamaica. These ones are corny, production quality is garbage, same topics over and over again. Another post from Demarco, it says, ever noticed that 99% of the time it's always the lower lives have the most negative to say? With a question mark. Viewers and subs, Demarco a call, Jaii a low life. All of this because me giving my opinion about the cheap looking podcast setup. Now I'm going through a midlife crisis. All my age and pick put up. Let's be liars then. Your podcast setup look good. The curtain and the couch is popping. The old table give it a vintage sleek look. Wow. And the last post from Demarco, it says all house are tumble down now with some laughing emoji, a cigarette or no smoking sign, as you can see on the screen. So all I have to say, viewers and subs, I say things like them here, I go make the artists them do not want to clash. Things like them here, I go make the artists them don't want to clash. Remember, viewers and subs, we never really did get no clash last year, Me can count on my finger the amount of clash me remember, and it don't pass too. You see me don't remember we actually getting a good clash last year, and Fully Bad and Demarco and Coyote and Animosity give us something to remember. You see me, some cannot say, oh, the clash of foolishness. It may not be one of the top class clash them we are going to always remember. But at least them gave us something to laugh about and say, Jano, say Demarco bad though, or Jano Fully Bad, or, yeah. But when I do things like them here now, the artists them not go on for clash because you style them. You see me? So things like them here made the artists them say, yo, bro, me not clash. I go just avoid what that the man they say and just do my own thing. You see me? So viewers and subs enough know what I say. You see me? But anyways, please do let me know and think about that. And also leave a like and subscribe. Yeah man, don't make me draw off a big stone. Just like what Pretty Dan say. No joke.
I'm gonna feel like you can't smoke in there.
Alright.
You can't fuck up in there but you can't smoke in there. You feel me? Let's Be Honest podcast, modest podcast, baddest podcast, never the saddest podcast. And today.
So viewers and subs, as you can see, Briscoe get the permission for smoke, and yet Teejay did a smoke, and then I hear Jaii tell him say, yo, you can't smoke, you see me? So basically now people are say, yo, Jaii take side. Yeah man, Jaii under some huge flame from the people them. people have it for say, yo, him not rate Teejay and a bag of things. I'm going to read some of the comments to Uno and make Uno see what I go on. But when Jeffrey do things like them, it go only seem like, say, a side him a pick. No joke. So this person says, the smoking thing happened because it was 3 a.m. and I was super tired and just couldn't bother. He requested to do so for a calmer and better interview, so I guaranteed it. So that comment is from Jeffrey, and a Jeffrey write it, but a Jeffrey said it. The person just wrote it in the comment section, you see me? And as you can see under the bottom of it, it says, the excuse they no make it. The dog just biased cause him link with Mac and Valley hard. Viewers and subs, when you think about that, you don't feel like say Jeffrey just make an excuse about what he did? But anyways, moving on to some more comments. Them no rate Teejay for real, can see it with a skull emoji. Another comment it says, Teejay I gotta do an interview with the Fix now and talk how Jeffrey diss him with a crying emoji. 2 and final comment it says, we different from cigarettes. Last comment, don't matter. Man say no smoking, then switch up. So viewers and subscribers, the people that must say, yo, Jeffrey switch up and a style Teejay just because him a link with Valiant and DJ Mac. When you think about that, viewers and subscribers, remember, you know, Jeffrey did the music in a Valiant music video, Salt and Beer. So the people them are gonna say, yo, Jeffrey a style up Teejay. You see me? And to be honest, it look like that. I don't have to say it's actually that, but it look like that. You see me? But that's how it look, to be honest. Briscoe get the opportunity for smoke and Teejay couldn't get the opportunity, so everybody go basically say, yo, a style Jeffrey, a style Teejay. You see me? And like I said, DJ Mac and Valiant plus Jeffrey link. You see me? So leave it down in the comment section and make me know what you think about that. Big up on yourself, like always. Leave a like on this review and subscribe to 4K Shot Energy. You see me? Big up on yourself and don't make me start feeling big stone. Yeah man.